inside holds. These candy canes were moving all over as I was trying to put them in, and I'm pretty sure I have some air gaps under the hook. Oh look, there you go. First one I open. It's okay. Well, they're not actually quite all on top of each other. That's definitely an air gap there. they don't stand out quite as much, but I think this pink is gonna get darker. And so I think that they will pop once it gets darker. Not bad. Definitely some glycerin rivers in the white. It gelled a little too much. It's okay. Yeah, definitely. Hello, can you see? That one goes all the way through. Okay. I had a feeling, try as I might, that I was gonna get some air gaps, but that's okay. Yeah, a whole lot of candy canes, which don't pop right now, but like I said, I think they will stand out more once the fragrance darkens the pink. So they're cute. It smells like a peppermint and a little bit of cream. So it's like a sweeter peppermint than just your straight essential oil. Oh my, wow, look at all those swirls in there. The candy canes kind of get lost. Game of find the candy cane. You know what? I'll take it. I said it'll be interesting to see how this discolors and if the candy canes will pop more, because the candy canes don't have any fragrance in them. Let me know what you think. And look, gosh, I love this glitter. It's rosy. I think that's the name from the Good Glitter, and it's just my favorite pink. Oh, I just love it.